So if you're coming from the part 1 of what I would do if I were you and I have no clue about coding or tech or C or computer science, welcome back to part 2. I made it into 2 parts because I don't want the information to be too bulky and it's going to be a lot of too much information. So this is part 2, and if you're seeing this face for the first time, my name is Teniola. If you missed part 1, I'm going to link it up there so you can watch that and then come back to part 2. So starting from number 6, read books and documentation. Just read books that help you stay motivated. I am going to recommend Atomic Habits. Anytime I can read a book and I start reading, I get to do what I need to do quickly and fast. I get the right motivation to do what I needed to do. And if you are a person that likes to read and you think you can read your code in books and it will help you, please go ahead and do that. We have PDF for different programming languages. Read those PDFs. The information are out there, the resources are out there. If you type on Google Python PDF file, you will see a lot that you can download and you can go through and read. It will help you to understand some programming language, like practical English language that they use in programming, and when they speak you will understand what they're talking about. Number 7, work on projects. You guys in your community can come together and decide to build a particular project. Challenge yourself. If no one is bringing the idea, make sure you bring out the idea. You guys can work on something together. Work on real life project. Pretend like you are hired. Pretend like you are doing something for your company and dedicate your time, your effort and everything into it. Trust me, this is going to really help you. You can put all the projects that you have built or you're working on, you're practicing on GitHub. Other programmers will see it and they will correct some things for you, and you can also see some things on other people, what other people have worked on GitHub, and you can also practicalize that. Look, practicing real life projects really works, because if you are learning and you keep learning without practicing and building real life projects, you won't really understand, and it might be difficult for you to also pass your interview. Number 8, network and attend events. Network and attend seminar, attend tech events. This is how you network and meet people in your field. As a beginner, make sure you attend most of these events are actually free. You can even go on Google and just type tech events in my area. It will bring you results of tech events in your areas that you can attend. If they are if you're supposed to pay, if just a stipend, just pay it. Just go meet people, hear what professionals have to say. These informations, to be honest, they really help you to stay motivated. They help you to understand what you're really going into, because tech is a whole career and you don't want to play around it. And I just feel like in this field, in this career, there are millions of resources out there that people are overlooking and not taking advantage of. Don't be like them. Make sure you take advantage of these resources that are open to you and free as well. So attend tech events and network, meet people, talk to people, speak to people, let them know what you're lacking, your difficulties, what you don't understand. To be honest, trust me, people in tech, they like to help, especially when you're meeting beginners like you or maybe intermediate, and they can, they are open to share what they know with you. Number 9, stay patient and persistent. Whatever you're doing, you cannot start coding today and you think that in a month you're going to start making 6 figures in dollars. You cannot start coding just today and you think, oh, in the next 2 weeks I'm going to land the job. The money is sweet, but getting there and learning it and having the knowledge. So it's not about how come or how far or how quick, okay? It's about what you actually know and what you can actually do. Number 10, stay curious and keep learning. Listen, this technology, this tech thing keeps evolving, and you also need to equip yourself with trends. If today we are using Python, tomorrow something else might evolve and people move into that direction. So you need to keep upping your game, you need to keep learning new skills, you need to keep evolving as time and technology evolves. If you don't do that, you'll find yourself backward and you'll realize that a lot of people have left you behind, okay? So those are the 10 things I would do as a beginner with zero knowledge in tech or in computer science that wants to go into tech and build a whole career around tech. So if this video is helpful, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, like this video, share with other women that are interested to go into tech or not. You might be motivating someone, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.